from there, it moves to operations. And this is a big thing, which is what I was scared of, what primarily, which is employee growth, hiring people, managing people, make sure they're all happy, negotiating, salaries, when we're onboarding people, having onboarding system that's fast and quick and doesn't linger. Because I was reading one book about companies and who are the happiest employees and stuff. One of the main things is if when you onboard people, if they just get hired to sit there do nothing until you get your act together, it ruins the culture, it ruins their joy in the company. So you got to really get them quick, get them excited about the work quick, and that causes a year or two down the line we talk to them, be happier. They've done studies on this, so it's really important to have their responsibilities out there and have it ready to go, and literally having job descriptions for every job. This was something I wish I'd done sooner because we're hiring people now. We kind of open ended. We're hiring. And then, then the rules come, what your role is, this and that. And there's some pushback or difference of thought. But having more and more exact job description of what your role is, and it's kind of hard to do until you have the person working the position and you know what they're doing to say, okay, this is what you got to do. But it's kind of learning as you go along. But having very specific breakdowns, each job position in the company, including yourself, CEO, what's expected of you, what isn't, what measurements for growth that you have, what milestones, what is the basis of bonuses, what is the basis of raises, how do you look good or look not, how do you track this kind of stuff? And this is called KPIs. And for years, I've been wondering what KPIs would be at an immigration law firm. And I've asked people, and they never give me an answer. But I've read this is what you got to do. These gurus and law firm management, they have a KPIs. But once I started sitting down and doing the marketing statistics and sales statistics, and then looking at caseload where we're handling money and how much time people are spending on stuff, I started seeing the KPIs, which could be how much time is spent on a case, which means we need time tracker systems that are better, which I'll get in a second. We need to keep track of who's working on what case, how much caseload they get done, how many errors they have per case. Are they getting better or worse? Are they making the same errors or not? And a bunch of other stuff. So it's really learning about these. Again, now that I'm not fully working on cases, it opens my eyes out like what we're actually doing here and to keep track of stuff. So if someone for 3 months is making the same error over and over again, maybe it's time that we get a new person in that position, because you just can't, it's wasting everyone's time if you're not learning. It's all about growth when it's happening.